Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about React hooks. Before moving to React hooks, we will know about before we were using class components and there we were using lifecycle methods for mounting, updating and unmounting. But now after React version 16.8 we have the concept of React hooks. So hook is now by using React hooks we can access different React features like we can handle the state management, we can optimize the performance, we can access the DOM elements. So we can catch the value, catch the functions by different hooks. So in this video we are going to learn about those hooks in detail. So currently I will go on to my Visual Studio and I will show you how we can create these hooks. So firstly, we are going to talk about use state hook. So I will create one use state hook. So here we are creating a use state hook. Use state hook, and we have to import this from, like we have it from before, and here we can import it use state. So we are destructuring use state from React. Here we have two attributes to give. One is count, which is the current value of a state, and another one is set count. Set count is a function which will set the value of the state, and this is the use state hook. Here we are passing initial value as 0, and this is number state. Another set of use state we will create is we will create one string state, and the initial value we can give is string. This is string state. After that we can create a state for storing, like array state we can have, like we can have hobbies array state. Reading, then coding, logging, right? So this is array state we have. One more state we can create is object state. To create object state we will create user, set user, will create object state. So id will be 1, then we will have name will be Saurav. After that we will have active, where we will store the boolean value as true, right? So this is object state. After that, we will also learn how to create some nested state, right? So here we are creating some nested state. Firstly, we will have, let's suppose, user user details. Inside user details, we will have ID, then name of the user. Then after name, we can like have one more nested like object, which is we will put it as preference, and inside preference we can have like theme which theme this user used to prefer, so dark. Yeah, so inside it we have preference. After that we will have one more called as posts, and inside this we will have one array of object. So this will contain like id id is 1, then the title of the post, like react basics, and the likes is 100. Okay, so we have this nested state right? If you want to pivot in two line, you can. So this is a nested state we have created. Now we are going to access these all inside here, right? And we will show you the output. Currently what I am doing, I will explain you again. We have use state hook. Inside use state hook, use state will like want two attributes, right? Like one is the state, which is the current state. Then second one is the set count function, which is responsible for setting the state, right? And this is the initial value we have to put. So this one is the number state we are setting. After that, same goes with string state. Like this is the string state we have. After that, we are creating array state. Then we are creating object state, and then we are creating one nested state. Okay, and we are also to get access to this use state hook, we have to import it inside here, and we are destructuring use state from React. Okay, so now we are going to display all those things. So currently we have count, right? So for count, what we can do, we will show it like this. Count will be displayed here. Now we have to uh, increase the count. So for that we will create one button, and inside uh, on click, we will create one function called arrow function called increase counter, right? Sorry, we are going to create one function called increase counter, right? So this increase counter will increase the count value. Okay, so set count we will, if we have to set the state or update the state, we will use set, like this, set count, right? And inside it, like set count, we will have to increment the count, so we can directly put set count plus 1 and it will increase the count, right? After that count, we have to set name, so we will give name and put it like this, and here we will put name, right? After that we will create one more function called update name. We'll put it like this, and we will create one button for update name. This will be update name, right? And this is for inc count, right? We'll go and set name like Misra Saurav. Okay, so we are setting it name here. Now we will go and set the hobbies, right? Here we will be updating the hobbies. Currently we have uh, list of hobbies here: reading, coding and blogging. We will add one more hobby here, hobbies. And inside hobbies we will have hobbies. And then we will have on click. To set the hobby, we will firstly get the previous state, and after that we will get the previous state from it, and then we will update one more. It's called gaming, right? So it will update the hobby section as well. Now we will go and check whether it is working or not. So here it is saying name is not defined. Name is not defined, it is saying. Then we have to check. Okay, so here we are putting it like this, name, and here as well we have to put it. Okay, I think it is working now. Name is not defined, refresh it. Okay, we will give it name update hobby, right? Okay, so we will increase the counter. Now you can see the number state which is there. Now we are able to increase the count. Then we are updating the name. Name is updated to Misra Saurav. After that we are having uh, like we have hobbies section, but I think we should give some space here, right? Okay, now it is visible now. So we have reading, coding and blogging section. When we will update hobby, we are having gaming section as well. So now you can see number state, string state and an object state.